Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. So today, let me show you what I got. The other day, I didn't get a 6-arm soldering station with a USB fan. No, that's not what I got. But let me show you. I found this artist online in Crafts Nation, the Craftsman sort of Facebook group, which I probably should link below, which is amazing. You find a bunch of people there who are doing really creative things. I haven't looked at this yet, and I will say I'm very excited. But let's take a look. It's here wrapped up like a little burrito. I think it arrived in one piece here. It looks incredible. Let's get rid of this. Oh, wow. So this was hand sculpted by this artist, and I'll link them down below and everything. I think they've got an Etsy shop. They're super talented. They do all types of like illustration, but also sculpting, which is a really it is a blind spot for me. I don't know sculpting. I don't know sculpting. But this is amazing. And the most amazing thing was that I purchased this. This is of their first run of these resin castings of their of this sculpture. It's their first run. So I had to jump on it because I wanted to get a first run of it. It looks incredible, and it's just incredibly detailed, and this person's just so talented. And oddly enough, funnily enough, I bought it on Carrie Fisher's birthday, just by chance, just by pure luck. But anyway, just wanted to show you this little quick video. Go visit their socials, go visit their shop and all that stuff. But this is quite amazing. I'll leave you with some beauty shots of this incredible piece here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing.